All right, part 3. We are to the finishing line. Welcome back, everyone. It's Big Sammy one more time, and we have completed our installation of the ceiling fan. We are going to test it. Let y'all do a test. Go ahead and pull a switch there. All right, we have power. We're going to check our little pulls. There's high, medium, low, off, on, off. Yep, it's off. Let's check the balance of the fan. see if we got it installed, if we need that balancing kit that's in there. So if you guys are looking at a fan and you're not sure if it's balanced good enough or if you need to balance it, just to let you guys know, if you see that one string there is rocking back and forth, that's probably just for me pulling it. If you pay attention to the other one, it's not rocking that far. But if it's like wallering and rocking back and forth and you're hearing the fan do 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 do, you know, something like that, then you're going to have to balance it. You have an unbalanced fan, or you did something wrong. You don't have enough screws. But if it's running like this on high, and it's not making any noise, and it's not rocking all over the place, like I said, unbalanced fan, that thing will be going like that. All that stuff will be rattling and making all kind of noise, so you're good on that. Let's turn it down, check it on low, make sure it's running. While I'm sitting there waiting for it to turn down, you guys, just a couple little things. You know, I like to deal with a hunter because of the fact that they got a good instruction book. They have extra pieces and parts they give you whenever you do the installation. You also have a balancing kit. Some do, some don't. Like I said, this is the big deal. If you're missing a screw in any of these, guess what? You won't finish the project and you'll be frustrated because you got all this done, and then of course you can't finish it because you're missing a screw or whatever. That's why they give extra screws. These are all extra screws. These are not because I was lazy and I didn't want to do it the right way. But there's your ceiling fan installation. We're going to actually bag all our stuff up, and hopefully the girl will be happy when she gets home. She'll have a fan, and yeah, it adds lighting to your house, and if you guys don't know any, it adds value to your house too when you put a ceiling fan in your bedrooms. I think a regular light is whatever they call it, like $20 or $50 extra. But like I remember they were doing one of our adjustments on our house, and they said, yeah, a room with a ceiling fan was an extra couple $100. Well, if you got, you know, a few hundred of them in the house, well, I mean a few $100 worth in the house, well, that can add your property value or your house up. So anyways, I'll stop talking here. I appreciate y'all coming by, checking us out. We're going to wrap this plastic up, get all our stuff tied back up, and there's your ceiling fan. I appreciate y'all stopping by and listening to me yak on. And if you guys have any questions, if I can help you with anything, or if I need to add to the video or make another video of something that you need some, you know, some extra help on, let me know. It's all about trying to help somebody out. All right, well, I appreciate y'all. Take care of yourselves, and be safe out there. It's Big Sammy. Like and subscribe. We'll talk to you later. Peace.